What's up guys? Welcome to HBIC channel for this new video. For the new one that just joined, my name is Helena, and in today's video I'm going to tackle this new platform named TikTok so you can know if this platform is a great social media for you to market your business. So as you might know if you have seen my previous video, I'm often talking about Instagram as this is a great platform to actually reach your audience. But a few months ago, well, in September actually to be precise, we started to see the potential of TikTok. The platform has now 800 million active users every month. Just to compare, at the moment, Instagram has 1 billion monthly active users. And we could see that during the lockdown, more and more people created an account on the platform, invested their time to understand how the platform works and what type of content can they put there. As the platform has great features to allow you to create videos just using TikTok app. So now that we had a look at the numbers, let's talk about demographic. Who is using TikTok? The first impression we had last year was maybe a feeling of being overwhelmed, maybe laziness of trying to understand a new platform. And to be honest, I had the same feeling when I first entered TikTok. I was like, oh, but this app is for teens. Okay, let's just leave it for teens. Let them have their fun there. But I didn't see any interest in having an account on the platform, and I didn't see how a business can actually market their products or the services on TikTok. But here we are a few months later, and now when we look at the demographic of who is using TikTok, we can actually see like 30% of those 800 million active users are above 30 years old. And what we notice as well is that the average user spends 1 hour of his day on TikTok. Therefore, at HBLC, we wanted to understand how the platform works and how it could be interesting as a business owners to be present on the platform and invest their time wisely to grow their audience and brand awareness. So this is why we started an account on the platform that has nothing to do with HBLC. We started an account in the food industry. We really wanted to start an account from the scratch, starting an account that has no other audience on another platform to see how viral the content of this account can go. To be honest, we haven't been consistent on this account for very long. The whole point was to be able to understand the platform, to write down this series on YouTube for you, to explain you what opportunities you can find on TikTok for your business. And the result we had in this short amount of time were quite surprising. Recording everything with our phone in the most simple way, using basic transitions, trendy music. We actually got a few videos that went viral, and to be honest with you, the one that went viral were not the expected one. But most of our videos reached over 1,000 views, and the one that went viral reached 600,000 views, and it was simply a close-up of an onion getting chopped. But imagine if you were actually selling the knife that was chopping the onions on the video and we could see the name of your brand appear there. As a result, you could have reached 600,000 people just by appearing on this video, which would have helped you to increase your brand awareness and maybe drive more sales thanks to this little short video. So even if we didn't have a real strategy when posting on TikTok, trying to understand the platform, how the hashtags work, we actually managed to reach a lot of people and to grow an audience without putting much effort into it. So basically, when it comes to create content on TikTok, how it works is that it's only video content, and you can post videos that are between 2 seconds or 60 seconds, so only short format video, which is highly engaging, and all the platform is just full of those kind of short format video. And to see how many people are consuming this type of content just confirms us once again that video content is the most interactive and engaging one. A trend that will keep evolving along the years, as we already spotlight in this blog article. So make sure to join the movement now and add a video format to your digital strategy. Even though you're not sure that TikTok is the right platform for you to jump in and market your business, I am sure that video is the right way for you to spotlight your product or services. And actually, we can now observe that many brands have added TikTok and content creators, so TikTok dancers as they like to call themselves there, on their digital strategy. Like you can see here with Bo using 2 TikTok dancers to promote their products and their values in a unique way. Elsewhere, using influencers is an efficient way for you to market your business on TikTok. As those influencers have already built their audience on TikTok, just select one that reunites the audience that you are targeting and let them promote your product or services on their account. If there is something I would like to highlight about the platform, is definitely the creativity of the influencers there. So select the right ones to collaborate with and let them spotlight your brand and product in a creative way. Another great feature of the platform that can help you gain visibility in a fast way is the trendy hashtags. So basically, when you open the app and you go on the Discover page, which is kind of similar as the Explore page on Instagram, you will be able to see a list of trendy hashtags. What can happen is that you can actually launch yourself a hashtag that can end up on this trendy page and therefore skyrocket your brand awareness in just one campaign. So basically, you could create a hashtag that is going to end up in the Discover page. And this could allow you to reach millions of screens in a very short amount of time and entertain a community that will discover these hashtags and create their own video using it. Also, another way to market your business on TikTok in a very easy way is just to create ads on the same principle as on Instagram or Facebook. You can just create ads to improve your notoriety on the platform. So even if we are now in June 2020, I am certain that this is still the right time for you to jump on the platform, as you can see it grow very fast and stand out. And as we saw with the Hungry Tommy, growing on TikTok doesn't take much time. And it will be a lot faster if you have a real hashtag and content strategy. And if you want to learn how to grow and market your business on TikTok, make sure to hit the subscribe button, as this is just the first video of a TikTok series on YouTube. And next week, I'm going to actually give you the perfect strategy so you can get your first 1,000 followers on the platform. So that's it for today, guys. I wish you all a great day. In the meantime, waiting for next week's video, make sure to check out this video to improve your IG strategy or this video to take your follow to the next level. I will see you in the next one.